Our support team is available 24/7. Let us show you the fastest ways to contact us. The fastest way to contact us is through the live chat on our website. Just click the chat icon in the lower right corner of the page, introduce yourself, and describe your issue. You'll be connected to a live agent within a minute. We're here 24/7, ready to help you anytime. Another option is to use the contact form. Click the support tab, then select Contact Us. Enter your name, email, and message. Then hit Send. You'll receive a response directly to your email. You can also reach us through the widget. Tap the menu icon, go to Support, and choose how you'd like to connect. You can send us a message right from the widget, Need help in Telegram? The widget also links directly to our Telegram support bot. You can find the link to the Telegram bot in the video description. Click Start and ask your question. Our team will respond shortly. It's that simple. Or explore the frequently asked questions section for instant answers. If you have an account, you can reach out directly from your personal cabinet. Go to the Support tab, fill in your email and message, and click Submit. To speed things up, please have this information ready: the swap ID, your transaction hash, the recipient address, and any other details that might help us assist you faster. You can find the swap ID in several places: inside the widget after completing your swap, in the History tab of your personal cabinet, and in the confirmation email we sent after your swap. Please remember, we will never ask for your seed phrase, private keys, or any other confidential data. Our assistance team is always here to help, 24/7. Visit us at LetsExchange.io and get the support you need whenever you need it.